In this video, I'd like to show you how you can create the most beautiful blog post in Kajabi and how you can use Kajabi as a full blogging platform. Create blog posts that are stylish, that convert people, that bring more people to your mailing list. This is now possible in Kajabi, and this is what this video is for. If you're using WordPress, you might think, okay, I have all my blog posts on WordPress. Should I bring them to Kajabi, and do I get the same opportunities and possibilities I have in WordPress? In this video, I show you how you can get those and how you can use those. I'm Bastiaan de Koning. I'm from Jiffy Course Online. And with Jiffy Course Online, we create templates for Kajabi that add more features to the Kajabi platform. We love Kajabi and we love to make it better. This is our motto. If you don't have Kajabi, you can try it for 30 days for free, and you can even get one of our templates for free as our gift for using our partner link. Now let's dive deep in the world of Kajabi blogging. Kajabi has a blog feature, and when you go to the admin side of Kajabi, there is a blog part and you can add new blogs pretty easily. You can press the new post button and then you have some spots you can put some information in, and just walking you through, you can add a video or an audio file on top of your blog post. You can add a feature image on the right, give the title, write the content, and add some SEO information to get it better found, and also how it's used when you want to share it on Facebook or LinkedIn. So let's create a first blog post. We create, this is demo blog. Let's write some content. I'll just copy and paste some lorem ipsum text, and you can add an image. Let's get a recent file from something we used before. I like this, for instance. You can add some more information like an image alt attribute so it can be found online easily. So this is something like camera. With organization, you can add tags, and tags are used to organize your blog post on your website. So this can be something as a Kajabi tip. Then you have SEO information. You can add a custom URL. Otherwise, it would create a URL based on the title, and you can give it a page title. So it's easy to be found in Google or on social media. Give it a page description. It's up to you. Then save it. Go to the preview, and your blog post is immediately there. So there's the image, there's the title, you find the content here, and what you see on the right side, this is the sidebar that is with the Kajabi blog post template. So this is the template, this is your post. So it's pretty easy to create blog posts in Kajabi. When you have multiple posts already, maybe on WordPress or somewhere else, you can just copy and paste the content, paste it in your Kajabi blog, and there it is. It's pretty fast to create all those blog posts. This is a blog post for me from a few years ago, and this is a very long pillar content blog post. And what you see, there are 20 items, and then there is a huge blog post there with all the content, but it is, for today's standards, pretty boring because there's no fun in it. It's just text. So what you can do, you can add some images to them, and for instance, you can do things like this. This is a blog post more recent. What you see, it's text, then we have an image, there's text, we have an image. It's mainly this. It's just text, image. And I can understand if you think, well, I want to create more beautiful blog posts. I want to really style my blog posts. I want it to be like a magazine. I want the people come back to my blog post because they love reading it. They love seeing it. There's interaction. There are options. I can give them more information. Well, then you have another option. It's called the Awesome Blog Creator. And this is a tool to create the most beautiful blog post. And just give you a few examples. Like this is an example we've created with the Awesome Blog Creator. And what you see now, you have options to put a text block here and an image and a call to action on the right side. You can have the option to put a background color. You have an option to add tables with background color. You have the option to add multiple images. Even here we have a video that's in the blog post. It's natively in Kajabi. It's not a YouTube post. It's here. It's a video in Kajabi. It's uploaded there. You have the option to add an opt-in form, and now you can create an opt-in inside your blog post that's specifically for this blog post. So if you have a blog post about 20 tips you give about some item, something, and you say, hey, download our checklist, you can add a form inside Kajabi to download the checklist. You can create those lovely drop down items, and it's pretty. I just wanted to show you the full potential. If you want to create beautiful blog posts in Kajabi, it's possible now. This is another blog post created with the awesome blog creator. You say it's the same outline as we used for the other ones, like here. This is absolutely the same on the right side. This is because this is the Kajabi template, but what you see here in the middle, the long list of text, is changed into text with images, multiple images, call to actions, color blocks if you want, another opt-in form. This is an offer block. So there are so many new features you can use with the awesome blog creator. So maybe you think, yeah, well, I see that's pretty difficult to do, because if you want to style this, if you want to do this in the original Kajabi blog post, you need to create it with HTML. You need to edit the code to create it. So what we try to do is create something that's really pretty easy to use. And for this, let me just show you how we do it. When we go to our website pages, we've created a landing page that you can use as a tool to create the awesome blog posts. So this is our landing page, and you open it. It's not a real landing page because people don't see this page. They don't come to this page. It's for you to create your blog post. And on top you see some information, but just below the logo here starts your creation process. And in this version, it's even a newer version, you see we have added an option to even add review blocks. We have images here, color blocks. Maybe you don't like color blocks, you can take out the color, but it's just there to show you what's possible. Another offer, another author block. And when you want to add more content, it just works like a Kajabi landing page. So you have the list here, and this is corresponding with what you see here. This is the review, this is the review, this is the image, here's the image. And if you want to add something new, just add content. What do we like to add? Let's add another table. So we add a table, and it's here at the bottom. There's some text above it. You can change the text, and then we have the table. And this table, it's a 5x5 table, and you can update it. Let's scroll down. You have columns and you have 5 rows. So it's not to completely insert your Excel sheets here, but you can use it to make it very easy to do some structured information on your website. And if you want to have just 4 columns, remove one of the column headings, and then it's a 4-column table. So it's pretty easy. If you want to put this table on top, that's fine. Just bring it on top of the page. It's now here. Let's table demo, and let's make this in heading 2. So there's table demo here. It's saved, and if you think, okay, this is nice, but I just want to make it 6 columns, that's possible. So if it's a pretty small table, you can do it like this, and you can add an image on the right side. Well, this image isn't fully width. Let's make it half, 6 out of 12, and now this image fits next to the table. It just works like a landing page, and you can switch the items. We have the 2 color blocks here. Let's just move them. Now you see they're switched or changed. And when you're all finished, let's save this page. Okay, it says to reload. It's Firefox. It always wants to reload. So let's save the page and press the green button. Then you have a preview of this post. You can press the orange button to copy the content. You get some information what to do next. But what you need to do is to go back to your blog posts. And we were working in our post here, the demo blog. And when we go to the demo blog, press the two icons here, delete everything that's in it, and just paste the content that's in your computer memory. You don't need to think, what do I need to paste? We took care of that. So it's pasted here. Just save the page and just preview this page. And there we are with the new demo block. It has the content here. It has the review block. It has the table with 4 columns because we removed one of them. The color blocks are there. All the information is there. It was just create a block and paste it. So this is the power of the awesome blog creator. And now your blog post, when you save this page, make it published. And let's go to our Kajabi page. Now you see there's a new blog post here. We just created it and it has the style as we like to have it. So you can create the most beautiful blog post now. So how does this work for SEO? Google understands these pages because it works like a landing page. The landing page information is here. Google understands it. Google understands what a table is. Google understands what images is. And even with the images, you can add the alt text to the image. So it's better searchable. You will make a better searchable blog post, so your SEO will even improve with it. And if you have blog posts on WordPress already, you can use that copy and just paste it here. If you have blog posts in Kajabi, you can use that copy, paste it in your new awesome blog editor, and when you're all done, you can copy the full content and replace it with your previous blog. So this is a little bit about how to create most beautiful blogs. I hope this helps. If you want to use this awesome blog creator, you can find it on our website at Jiffy Courses Online. It's a tool to make Kajabi even better. And I hope you like it. I'm Bastiaan de Koning from Jiffy Courses Online. I see you in the next video.